Guf Mishna Dalad Hoyru Bezdin V'Yoda Echa Mehen Shato V'Omer Lahem Toyamatem. Let's say one of the people know that the Bezdin made a mistake, and they tell the Bezdin, "You're making a mistake." Oy Shaloi Hoya Mufla Shal Bezdin Sham, or the Mufla of Bezdin wasn't there. Oy Shaya Echa Mehem Ger and Mamzer Einosin Eizakin Shaloi Roa Loi Banim. So, in all these cases, he's not Roy Lodin Dini Nefasha. So then you wouldn't have the Chiyah Par Halam Davar Shel Tzibar. Hareel Peturim Shenemer Kan Eda V'Nemer La'alon Eda Ma Eda HaOmer La'alon Achiyu Kulim Ru'uyim L'Hayra Af Eda Hamura Kan Achiyu Kulim Haru'uyim L'Hayra. Just like by the mitzvah of Sanhedrin, when you're Moishe of Sanhedrin, it says they all have to be Roy L'Hayra. So in the halacha Par Halam Davar Shel Tzibur, it has to be a bezin that's Roy L'Hayra. The Mishnah ends off Hayru Bezin Shegim also call a Kal Shegim Miviyim Par. When do you bring a par helm davar shel tzibur? If the bezdin's a shegig and the kahal is a shegig. But if mezidim also shegig, if either the bezdin was a maiden and only the tzibur that did it, they did it b'shegig, then it wouldn't be par helm davar shel tzibur. Then you bring a regular. Each person would bring a regular chatas mevin kiss of a sira. Or if the shegigim also mezidin, if even the psak of bezdin was b'shegig, but the people did it b'mezid, so then there's no carbon at all. It's not a shegi. So then harei elu peturin, and there would be no par helm davar shel tzibur. In this case, not even a carbon at all. On that which the Mishnah said that a zakein she'ein roy lebanam is not roy lebezdin, Rashi asks v'kashali b'nei ma ein roy leira, and the Pirsha Mishnayis the Rambam and Rashi and Sanhedrin and Daf Lamed Vav Lamed Beis says because he's an achzari, because he doesn't have havas banim, meaning experience in that, he does, and therefore he's patul for dinei nefashis. Learning Zelu Nishmas Etta Ahuva Tzagim Tzagim Horayos Perik Aleph Mishna Hey Hoyru Bezdin will also call a kahal Eruben Alpiyim Bezdin Paskin, and the whole Klal Yisrael or Roiv of Klal Yisrael did Alpi their psak. So this is the case of Par Helam Davar Shel Tzibur. So there's a three-way machlokes. Rameir says Miviyim Par. Only Bezdin brings a par, and the tzibur doesn't bring anything. By Avodah Zarah, and by Avodah Zarah, Miviyim Par V'Sar, only Bezdin brings a par V'Sar, because Avodah Zarah's halacha is a drop different than all other Avei's. By other Avei's, all you bring is a par. By Avodah Zarah, you bring a par V'Sar. But Rameir's shita is that it's dafka Bezdin v'loi tzibur. Only the Bezdin brings the carbon, and not the tzibur. Divi Rameir. Rabbi Yehuda Omer, he says exactly the opposite. It's only the tzibur that brings the carbon, and not the Bezdin. So therefore, Shnei Maser Shvatim, Mevi'in Shnei Maser Parim. U'Baveidah Zarah, Mevi'in Shnei Maser Parim, V'Shnei Maser Sirin. The third Shita, Reb Shimon Omer, he says that it's both. It's both Bezdin and the Tzibur. And therefore, by regular Averis, it's Shloisha Aser Parim, 12 for the 12 Shvatim, and 1 for the Bezdin. Altogether, it's 13. And by Baveidah Zarah, also it's 13. Shloisha Aser Parim, V'Shloisha Aser Sirin, Par V'Sar Chol Sheva Sheva, Par V'Sar the Bezdin. The next case in the Mishnah is not where everyone did Aveira. Only Shiva Shvatim did Aveira, or Roiv of Shiva Shvatim. So Hoyru Bezdin, but also Shiva Shvatim by Ruben Alpian. So according to Rameir, we go through all three shitas. According to Rameir, that says that it was Bezdin, the Loit Tzibur. So over here it's the same exact halacha as in the first case in the Mishnah. It's Meviyim Par, Avodah Zarah, Meviyim Par V'Sar, the Rameir. Rabbi Yehuda Omer. So instead of it being 13, instead of being 12 shvatim, it's dafka 7 shvatim. Shiva shvatim shechatim mevi'in shiva parim. But over here, there's a chilik. Because over here, the Mishnah continues, V'shar shvatim shaloi chatum mevi'in ayideim par, she'af eila shaloi chatum mevi'in ayidei achaitin. So Rabbi Huda has an added chiddush over here, that even the shvatim that did not do an avera, each one of them is going to bring a par. Reb Shimon Omer, so it's going to come out according to Rabbi Yehuda, both in the Reisha and in this case, each you're going to bring 12 parim, and by Avodah Zarah 12 parim and 12 seir. Reb Shimon Omer, the third shita that held Bezdin Vitziber, so he holds that you bring Shmoina parim because he doesn't hold of that added chiddush of Rabbi Yehuda that the shvatim that didn't do an avera bring a carbon. So it's only the 7 shvatim that did an avera plus the Bezdin is 8 altogether. And by Avodah Zarah, Shmoina Parim v'Shmoina Sirim Par V'Sar Chol Sheva V'Sheva Par V'Sar LeBezdin. The third case in the Mishnah is Haru Bezdin Shel Echom Min Hashvatim V'Asa Oiseh HaShevet Al Piyim. It was dafka one shevet did an avera, and it was the bezdin of that shevet that made the psak. In that case, oisa shevet hu chayiv v'shar kol hashvatim pturim divrei Rabbi Yehuda. So over here, Rabbi Yehuda is going to be maskim that only the shevet that did the avera is going to bring the carbon. The Chachamim say, ein chayavin ella al Horayos bezdin hagadol bevad. B'chal, you don't have the parsha par helam davar shel tzibur if only one shevet did an avera. Rabbi Yehuda held that shevet is ikri kahal, and therefore it's considered as if it's negay the parsha par helam davar shel tzibur. However, the Chachamim hold that it's dafka if there was a hayra from the bezdin hagadol, and over here, since it was only the hayra of that shevet, so it's not negay par helam davar shel tzibur. Shenemar v'im kol adas yisrael yishkav aloi adas oisai hashevet. And they would just bring a chatas like a regular sheged.